button can measure multiple functions. AC current measurement. In the case of poor light, you can turn on the backlight. The line of the test is a leaf line, and a single line can be measured. Measured line is 0. You can measure a single line. The line of the test is ground. It has no electricity and cannot be measured. File 0 line. Bright lines cannot be measured together. Ground. File 0 line. 3 lines together cannot be measured. The wire containing 2 core wires cannot be measured. The line containing 3 core wires cannot be measured. The dust black of the test lead line can be pulled out. AC voltage measurement. The millivolt shift value is normal and can be cleared. Non-contact voltage sensing. Use a single test lead to measure the lead wire and emit the quick beam. Measure the 0 line moving sound. DC voltage measurement. Common resistance measurement display. Detection of LED lights. Light on indicates that the light is good. Color display to measure whether the light is on or off. Household appliance capacitance measurement.